How to deal with IRS refund delays over 21 days in H&R Block. Let's get started. First, check your refund status. Navigate to the website of H&R Block, log into your account, check your refund status, or you can visit irs.gov and input the following details: social security number, filing status, and exact refund amount listed on your tax return. Next, understand common reasons for delays: errors or incomplete information on income tax credit or additional child tax credit, identity verification, paper file returns. Next, contact the IRS for updates. If it has been over 21 days since your e-file return was accepted, contact the IRS directly. Call the IRS Refund hotline. Have your tax return details ready. Be prepared for longer wait times during peak periods. Resolve any issues promptly. If the IRS requires additional information such as identity verification, follow the instructions in the notice. Complete the process online through the IRS Identity Verification Service. If you have made an error on a return, use H&R Block's customer support to help identify and resolve the issue. File an amended return if necessary. Keep checking the Where is My Refund tool or H&R Block's refund tracker for updates. Refund status updates daily, so check once per day is sufficient. By following these steps, you can address IRS refund delays effectively and stay informed about your refund status through H&R Block and IRS tools. If this guide helped you, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.